How to get new wallet address on the Coinbase wallet. This is a step-by-step guide so you will be able to follow easily. Now let's go ahead and open up the Coinbase application right here, or the Coinbase wallet. Wait for the application to load in, and basically all you have to do is to go ahead and navigate through your profile icon right here. Now once inside, you can then go ahead and see the address right here. You can just go ahead and click on it and a pop-up menu will show up. From here, you want to click on Add and Manage Wallets. Go ahead and click on Add Address. Click on Continue. And in no time, we'll be able to create a new address on the same wallet on the Coinbase wallet. But in case you want to add a new wallet right here, you can just go ahead and click on Create New Wallet. So guys, if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.